Good day, everyone. My name is Shena Duterte, and my topic for today is all about drugs for treating benign prostatic hyperplasia. So, it is a men's problem. And if magkaedad ang lalaki, magka-increase incidence pod. So, located siya sa middle of the urethra and the bladder sa lalaki. Then, two types of drugs are used to relieve the symptoms of BPH, or also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia. These drugs include alpha-adrenergic blockers, doxazocin or Cardora, tamsulosin, Flomax, alfuzosin,